Kumin Sangni Somni Pathum MLA election Pualin Kini Boys Hostel 10 vote kan thak vea Zani hen kan vote thak te kan share ve don ani tuna vote share kan chanang
AAP in isonotria mat foi megani yes MNF vote kan kuwa ZPM in vote BJP in hostel notria mat foi mege ZPM in vote ni kuta ZPM in vote ZPM in vote di AAP in point notria vote BJP in vote ni nan pre AAP in vote Congress in vote Congress in vote ni nan pre MNF in chung Sabtria vote khat mulea BJP na vote na an mule tae Congress in vote na Congress in vote li ZPM in vote nga AAP in vote li Congress in vote nga ZPM in vote through MNF in vote nan mule Congress in vote na mule ZPM vote sari ZPM in vote ria BJP in vote li ZPM in vote kuana mule ZPM in vote so BJP in vote na ZPM in vote so le papa Congress in vote sari AAP in vote nga room 9 BJP in vote room BJP in vote sari ZPM in vote so le pati Congress in vote ria MNF in vote li nan ko le BJP in vote ria nan ko le BJP in vote kwa ZPM in vote so le pathum na an ko le AAP in vote through Congress in vote kwa na an ko le Congress in vote so le patha Congress in vote so le pani Congress in vote so le pathu AAP in vote sare AAP in vote ria BJP in vote so an ko le ZPM vote so le pali Congress in vote so le pali ZPM vote so le panga BJP vote so le pakhat AAP vote kwa Congress vote so le panga AAP vote so le koso BJP vote so le pati BJP vote so le pathu MNF in vote nga ZPM vote so le pa so le paru ZPM in vote so le pasari BJP vote so le panga we ZPM vote so le paria Congress vote so le paru BJP vote so le paru MNF vote ru MNF vote sari ZPM vote so le pakua Kato bira Congress vote so le pasari Sari an mu ni chuan kum sang ni Somni Pathum Boys Hostel election a MLA candidate a vote dang le chu vote Somle Papua Muin ZPM candidate Kusong sa ani ZPM pakatna miing vote Somle Papua an huwa INC Indian National Congress in vote Somle Pasari an huwa BJP Bharatiya Janata Party in vote Somle Paruk an huwa chuan MNF Mizo National Front in vote Sari an huwa chuan AAP Aam Aadmi Party Mizoram branch in vote So an ani